Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Cloudinary for brand images and responsive delivery, full guide step by step clearly. Locate the sign up button on the home page and click on it. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password meets the specified criteria to avoid errors. Next, provide your company name and any other required information. Once you have completed the registration form, review your details for accuracy. Click on the Create Account button to submit your information. After a successful registration, check your email for a verification link. Open the email and click on the verification link to activate your account. Return to the Cloudinary website and log in using your registered email and password. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your Cloudinary dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available features. To start uploading images, navigate to the Media Library section. Click on the Upload button to begin adding your brand images. Once your images are uploaded, categorize them by using folders for better organization. To implement responsive delivery, go to the Transformations section. Explore the options for image transformations to suit various devices and screen sizes. Create a transformation URL for each image by selecting desired settings. Test the transformation URLs to ensure they display correctly on multiple devices. To manage your subscription, click on the user profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Review your plan and usage statistics, making adjustments as needed. If you require additional features, consider upgrading your subscription plan. For further assistance, access the Cloudinary documentation and support resources. You are now ready to effectively utilize Cloudinary for your brand images and responsive delivery needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.